Here we go, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Wow! Wow! Nice, smooth. Wow, that was incredible.
Now you got your weird little indoor bit.
Now we've got some goats, random goats. And to quote Matt, yodelay, lolay, lolay.
I give that a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, I could do better. I could do a lot better. I'm letting you guys down. Yeah, very impressed with that. Very impressed. That puts Wickerman to shame.
It's rapid.
It is. Now drop something else.
That's impressive. I like that. This bit's a bit
Are we on Oblivion?
gradually shunts in and about that. It's more like Postman Pat the Ride.
Break on the ride.
So how's your weird farmyard goats and a dog? I think it's a dog. I don't know what all that's about.
Yeah, that was good. That was really good.